When selecting a storage drive for your PC build, or even for your existing PC, these are things to consider: capacity, price, warranty, speed, availability, futurability, durability, compatibility, and heat management. Welcome to the new world of disk storage options. For capacity, it is important that you not run out of space, because when a computer is full, it slows down and then eventually stops working completely. If your computer is running Windows, having 500 GB or more is a good idea. The next step up from there is a terabyte TB. That is double the 500 GB space. Know that text documents take up the least amount of space, while full-blown, high-resolution videos and games take up the most space. Audio and pictures are somewhere in between. If your computer is running Windows, your PC can have multiple storage drives, which can help you manage the costs. Having your data in multiple locations is also good for peace of mind. Disk drives do not last forever. An ideal scenario could be a 1 TB primary drive, where Windows or Linux is installed. Then a second, 2 or 4 TB drive. Finally, you keep an external drive or a large 32 GB thumb drive that plugs into your PC once in a while to back up your important data. This external drive can be locked up in a fireproof safe day-to-day. On the storage drive front, in this example, the computer will have a smaller and fast drive, the C drive. Then there is a second drive inside the computer that is bigger and is the D drive. Then regularly you retrieve an external drive which plugs into a USB port on your computer and make a backup copy of your "I really need to keep" stuff. All told, your PC will have the storage capacity requirements met. After deciding generally what to buy, shop around for specific prices at reputable stores. My top 3 picks for buying PC storage drives are Micro Center, Newegg, and Best Buy respectively. Maneuvering through their consumer-friendly websites is simple. You can expect prices to be similar, although they do not all sell the exact same items. It pays off when you preview options before you buy. Think about it, discuss or read blogs from others. Always remember that, when it comes to storage drives, prices vary based upon their features and abilities. The importance of warranties that manufacturers offer on PC components can never be understated. There are 7 companies that make and sell SSD drives for the USA. They all offer between a 3 and 5 year product warranty. Take the time to register your purchase. This helps you always avoid the retailer's attempts to sell a 1 or 2 year warranty on a product that already carries 5 years. You already have a warranty when you buy your disk storage. Speed considerations on disk storage options can be focused more by which type of drive you are going to buy. Categorically speaking, the one called Gen 5 SSD is the newest and fastest. General 4 SSD is next fastest. Then comes Gen 3 SSD and SATA. Still available and worth considering are the 3.5-inch disks, which are either 7,200 or 5,400 RPM speeds. Yes, some are faster than others. For speed benchmarks on specifics, go to Passmark.com and find the benchmark section. It is best to decide upon a disk drive, make and model that you can find easy enough. Of my 3 recommended retailers noted above, Micro Center is wonderful if you can drive to one. They staff knowledgeable people. I think you can get by online at all 3: Micro Center, Newegg, and Best Buy. Do your research. You choose. On what I call SSD futurability, that means 2 things. How long is what you buy projected to last? Plus, can you use this part when you upgrade or build up? Disk storage drives are supposed to last the average person a decade or more. And 3 of the categories listed above were first out within the last 10 years. But the manufacturers have ways to estimate. Next up, if you upgrade, your main drive or C drive may become your next computer's D drive. You can plan that ahead. For example, it could be that your budget affords you a Gen 4 SSD now. Then later, you can get a Gen 5 and move the Gen 4 to a secondary spot. Just sayin', which motherboard you buy or have will also help to isolate your storage purchase decisions. The motherboard, or main board, will work best when it is matched up right. However, some things will not work for reasons of compatibility. The motherboard website is the best reference for that information. Which category can you buy? That matters. My last topic is heat management. These days, we not only have to buy these metal fin things to radiate heat from CPUs and graphics cards, but as of Gen 4 and Gen 5 SSD drives, we want to get heat sinks for those too. A newer motherboard will have built-in cooling ideas. Otherwise, you can get decent aftermarket heat sink solutions at Amazon. That's the scoop here. Having said the above considerations, you now have a better feel For buying storage drives for your computer. The computer world is fast-moving and full of acronyms and questions. Take things component by component and know that frequently, the decision of one thing partially relies on another thing. Communicate with others, read, and have fun.